I'm really more into the aesthetic, like, bro, like how it feel on your foot. You see, me personally, I kind of like it when my clocks and my sock on, my toe them, make it feel like, say, yo, every single walk, my cramp up. Me I feel everything. But you know, with clocks over time, the clocks them they do expand due to the fact that the heat and so on. So, and you know, say, yo, with the heat, with certain level, like certain material, like leather, it's gonna eventually expand over time. So that's why most Jamaicans they get the clocks a bit small and the natural foot size. So let's say I'm like a size 9. Right, me I go wear a 7. It a bite me toe them, yes. That bun me on me a walk, yes. But who gives a fuck? Because eventually it's gonna expand and it'll become a size. That's why you never ever see people that wear clocks that is like bigger than them normal size. Because they're gonna look like by the time the leather expand, you're gonna look like you wear clown shoes.